All right, guys, we just finished up this 21 Denali HD 2500 with a 6.5 BDS kit, BDS upper arms, Fox shock, steering stabilizer, 2412 TIS 547, 37 1350 Toyo MTs. Turned out really nice. It's got the BDS skid plates here. The logo just rivets on the front, looks real nice. Fox shocks. I don't know if you can see the steering stabilizer, but I'll try to give you a view of it. It's kind of hidden in there. And the BDS upper control arms. Again, those are optional for this kit, as are the Fox shocks. We had to do a little bit of trimming on this one on the rear of the mud flap and on the front of the valence and your inner plastic. I don't know if you can see all that, but hopefully you can. Give you a little walk around of the truck. We had a bed cover for this one too, but it came in damaged, so customers wanting to come back to get that once we get the replacement in. All right, guys, that's it for now. If you have any questions, make sure you leave us a comment, and make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.